Masking in Photoshop can be used to hide portions of a layer. Any effects made to a mask layer, such as image adjustments or layer styles, will affect only the masked area. Masking can also be used to collage or combine multiple images. To mask an object or area, select the desired layer in the Layers panel. Switch to a selection tool, such as Quick Selection, and click and drag to select the object or area. Next, click the Add Layer Mask button to the bottom of the Layers panel. Only the selected area will remain and a mask will be added to the layer. Then, click the Selected Mask button in the Properties panel and make adjustments to the settings to refine the mask. This will help blend the object with other elements in the document. Two of the most common settings here are Feather and Smooth. Be aware that the different types of objects will require different settings. When done, click OK. Once applied, the mask will appear on a transparent background or in front of any layers below it. The unmasked area will be removed. The brush tool can be used to add or subtract from the mask, which is useful for adjusting parts of the layer that were inadvertently selected during the masking process. Use white to add to the mask and black to subtract. To reopen the Properties panel and edit the mask at any time, click the mask in the layer. More information about Photoshop, including instructions for how to use masking to collage multiple images together, can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU Knowledge Base.